Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video we'll check if this smartphone supports dual SIMs. Let's start with the fact that this smartphone has only one SIM card slot. You can quickly check it by ejecting SIM card tray. So, in order to check if it supports multi-SIMs, let's go to settings and go to network and internet. Enter SIMs, and as you can see we can add eSIM. So this phone does support dual and multiple SIMs. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.